everyone, it's Dakota, and welcome back to another video. And look what we have! It's BeanBoozled
Gumball machine.
Yeah, so we're gonna be doing that today.
All right. Put the camera right here. 2 cups of water, bowl usually. Gumball machine. We're just gonna take a turn. So,
How many turns?
I don't know. Until we're done. I cut this out of one of my BeanBoozled games.
See, we have new covers, new everything.
Yeah. So, alright, I'll go first since I'm the oldest. No, we'll do rock, paper, scissors, okay?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I learned how to always win on rock, paper, scissors on YouTube. Well, let's go.
Okay, so
Go first.
I'll go first. I got moldy cheese. Oh, I got 2 moldy cheese or caramel ones. Let's put one back.
Let's leave the top open just in case.
Yeah.
And he made the gumball machine. All by himself, I think. Grab moldy cheese. More like...
Alright, Dakota, your turn.
Okay, I'm up. Oh, crap.
Okay.
Do I have to?
Yes.
Okay. Please don't be bad. Am I going correctly?
Yep. Wait, well, what is it? It is either... Here, if I do this. Oh.
And then that ball out.
It looks like it is either rotten egg or buttered popcorn.
I hate them both.
What is it? Rotten egg?
Buttered popcorn, but I don't really like it.
No? Okay. Alright, my turn. Come on, berry blue toothpaste. No! Wait! Come on, you little barf. Alright, dead fish or strawberry banana smoothie?
Ooh,
Wait.
dead fish. Is it dead fish?
Yeah.
Oh, snap, baby. But I got moldy cheese, I think. No, I got buttered popcorn. I hope I did anyways.
You get, is it another one? Or is it this one different? No spots? Okay, this one is either spoiled milk or coconut. Coconut's bad.
I know.
It's really bad. What is it?
I think coconut. What is it?
Coconut or spoiled milk?
I think it's spoiled milk.
Does it taste like milk? Yeah.
A little.
Alright, my turn. No! Canned off with her chocolate pudding.
Typed it.
Alright.
I'm awesome.
Go.
Well, I got
Hey,
it.
no, let's shake it up first.
You're trying to get me canned dog food.
No, I'm trying. Look it. There's toothpaste. I'm trying to get him more in the middle. He got another spoiled milk or coconut.
Now this is coconut.
That is. It's bad, isn't it? For me, it was really bad.
Okay.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Okay.
I feel like spitting it out.
This is dead fish or strawberry banana smoothie again. Here, we're gonna try to get different ones each time, so I'm gonna do a different one. What? Alright, I'll do this one since I didn't do this one. Rotten egg or buttered?
I guess you have to stick with chocolate pudding.
No, it's right here.
Oh, how? Ow, how? I love kids, because I'm a kid. And peace out. Peace out.
Here, there you go.
And you told me to do more videos with him. I'm doing it with him. His brother isn't around, so, yeah, I'm going to do it with him. Sorry.
Alright, lime or long clippings, which isn't that bad either way.
It's not that bad anyway.
Yeah. I mean, lime is, you already can tell it's better.
Good.
But it's lime or long clippings.
Long clipping just tastes like grass.
It tastes like the smell of grass. Like,
and leave a comment below You want me to do a video eating grass?
Line or long clippings?
I think long clippings. Yeah, baby.
Hey, Nalo.
Yeah, long clippings. Black. Okay.
Seriously. Get out, you jelly bean.
Joe, let's get this over with.
Line or long clippings? Line!
Look how long this video can be.
Line. Ah, so good. What's the phone?
Let's pause it till this is done. Okay, it's done.
Alright. Oh, it's your turn.
Is it?
I just got line.
No, I think I just got long clippings.
Alright, go.
Okay, I got long clippings stuck. I just put grass in my mouth. Tell him I just put grass in my mouth.
Yeah. He's a cow.
Moo!
Alright, go.
Okay, let's go. Oh, it's berry blue.
No, it's not. What is it?
Your
actually?
turn.
What is it actually?
Berry blue.
No, it's not. I see it. It's white.
Okay, that one's mine.
Lime or
I
lemon?
didn't really get
Oh.
it.
Okay, this one's mine. Tutti Frutti or Stinky Socks? What'd you get?
One.
Lime?
Sure. Stinky socks. Stinky socks rock.
Alright, your turn.
I still got the jelly bean in my mouth.
Oh, yeah, this is what it looks like in front. Here, we'll do it this way from now on. Alright, go. We'll show them.
Oh, is it out? Is it out?
Yes,
is
it's out.
it out? Is it out?
It's
How did you make it?
It's spoiled milk or coconut.
It was bad. Coconut! Ah! I gotta go wipe my mouth out.
Commercial.
That's better.
Alright, back. Alright. My turn.
Yawn!
Moldy cheese or caramel corn, I think?
You should also check out his channel called Best Videos.
Or Peace Out videos, because I only have two videos on that channel, but I have water bottle flip and cool new helicopter. I got this cool new helicopter drone. I call it drone.
You were Peace Out!
No, I'm a different Peace Out. Mine has my face on it. That one had this on it.
The one who tells me all that stuff?
Yeah, mine has my face on it. Peace out. All right,
Think about one more jelly bean each.
No, probably like 5.
Now how about one more?
3.
I want enough to make another video tonight.
Oh, yeah.
I think it seems like this is done.
All right.
And after this, we get berry blue and toothpaste,
Yeah.
right? And we have to eat at the same time.
Moldy cheese. Here, I want to get a different one. I don't want to keep getting moldy cheese or caramel corn.
I know. We're gonna be making another video. I'm gonna see if.
Oh, Tutti Frutti or Stinky Socks. I guess I'll do it. Since I didn't do that one that much. Hi.
What did I get again?
What'd you get? Actually, I don't know what you got.
It's bad.
It is? Actually, I'm gonna do Juicy Pear Booger. We haven't done that. I haven't done that one yet. Here, I'll get the berry blue or toothpaste out. first.
That was definitely coconut. I'm not running out of this video anymore. Oh.
You have to. You have to do. You have to do juicy pear booger with me.
Oh. I don't feel so good. JK, look at it. Nothing. Ta-da, just water. You can't see the water. You already took water. See?
There we go. Me and him will do juicy pear booger, and then we'll do the blueberry bluer toothpaste. Juicy pear booger for you. Juicy pear booger for me. 3, 2, 1. Booger. Nice. Go. Berry bluer toothpaste. This is blue one. 3, 2, 1, go.
I hope this is toothpaste.
Oh, good toothpaste.
Toothpaste.
Yeah.
Now my breath is going to smell way better.
I mint back there too. I'm prepared. Alright, so let me take this back on. And have a nice day.
No, don't turn it off. And I'll see you guys in a couple minutes.